What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to the song. This is a very cool song. I'm a Stranger Now. Thanks H for suggesting this song. You can check out his cover. He's got a cover of this song in a room with a little piano behind. And yeah, he's one of my private students, and I told him this song, and then I thought, hey, let's do a tutorial for this song on YouTube. So here it is. It's I'm a Stranger Now. It's in the key of F, well, the open F tuning, cap on 7th fret. Okay, so it's gonna make it technically in the key of C, but yeah, let's not get too technical about this. It's got some very nice chord shapes and some picking pattern at the end, which is fast strumming that I showed you in the intro. It's got a very interesting structure, which I wrote down the whole structure here, and this kind of serves me as a guide so that I can just play the song anytime. But then you also have the traditional chords and lyrics in the PDF that you can use to just navigate like that once you understand how he does all the riffs and how he does the specific chord shapes. Okay, because obviously that's a C chord now, you know. Anyway. Okay, so let's jump right into it, and yeah, let's get started with the tuning of the song. So the tuning is, if you play the open strings, F, so the E string goes up to an F, and then we've got A, that stays an A, and the D string goes down to a C, and then we've got F on the G goes down to an F, and the B string goes down to an A, and then the F goes, the E, high E also goes up to an F. Okay, sounds like that, and then we slam the capo on the 7th fret, depending on the version that he's playing. Okay, then we've got a couple of interesting chord shapes. He uses mainly this C shape, C over A, and you know, you can also put the thumb there if you want, because that also kind of contributes a little bit to the chord. Very interesting chord here. And then we have this D minor over A. And you can hit the top string if you want, but this makes a D minor chord. I like to play with the middle finger, and then you can do B flat, the next chord, like that. F, open, right, then we move on here, C over G, 3 days of love, and then we have this G minor 7, which is very similar to the B flat, because they're relatives, and then we have this nice walk up into the F, so that's an F chord, and this, it's like a double sus walking into the F. Then we also have this B flat, which is just an extension. So of this, it looks like an A minor 7 that we use in the bridge, and then we also use this G minor in the bridge. B flat, G minor. Okay. The main strumming pattern is just down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 and you got your main accent on the 3rd down. With some offbeats that are very important, which we're going to walk through. Okay, now we're going to start with the intro here. So, this is the intro. Now, I just want to explain what these little... Hey, that's not the song. Okay. I just want to explain quickly here... Oh man, why are you doing this? What these little things mean. That just means these chords are pushed one beat earlier. Okay, or an 1/8 of a beat or a 16th of a beat. Okay, so if I play the C, it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. that's the intro. You've got that B flat and that C on the repeat is pushed a beat earlier. Okay, then in the verse, we've got this progression. And we just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, B, G minor, C, 1. Very simple, okay? And then post verse. Oh, at the end of the verses we have this little riff. Okay, if only, and then we use this F walking into that. Let me just put that like that. Okay, so post verse. If you want to do that, you don't have to play that riff, but B flat, da, da, C, and then pinky down. That's the riff. Let me play it again slowly. That's how I would play it. The first level is you can play it. So on the C, this is the riff. So it's all written down there for you. Okay, now chorus. I'm not going to go over this chorus progression. This is just if you want to understand the music theory a bit better, you can just see how the structure works. Okay, the bars and that, and then the bridge is just simple. But let's quickly go to the chorus with the lyrics. Then it makes a little bit more sense. Okay, so I'm just going to do a few lines at a time. I'm going to do about, let's say we do 4 lines at a time there, or 5. Okay. Through days we love, through days we disappear, to go for all the things behind the cloud. Oh, I'm a stranger now. Now for that part, you kind of strum as you're singing it. Oh, I'm a stranger now. So you kind of abandon the groove of the song a little bit, and you just sing when you're strum when you're singing the notes. To go for all the things beyond the cloud. Oh, I'm a stranger now. Oh, I'm a stranger. So up until that point, you just go with the steady. Through days we love, through days we disappear. Continue again. And where will I undress to disappear? Okay, now for that line, I like to play that D minor. Where will I undress to disappear? Or you could go, where will I undress to disappear? But I like to walk it up. Will I undress to disappear? To go for all the things beyond the cloud. I'm straight. Just go there. I'm a stranger now. Oh, I'm a stranger now. Woo! Okay, you get the idea. Okay, now when we get to the tag, the little tag before the bridge, so the song kind of ends, and then we go to this tag where we're going to play a D chord, a C chord, and then a D minor, B flat, but the picking pattern is P-I, M-P-I, M-P-I, which is going to look like this. So we go, we take this finger off at the end of the pattern. That's what you do on D minor, the second pattern. And then B flat. And then the G minor we do. Through the bridge, baby. Simple. Now so deep into the forest with my Swedish little heart. Now I'm nowhere near your sunset. It's so quiet after all. You get the idea. Pretty basic stuff. I hope you learned the song, and post the song in the community. If you've learned the song, go to the Jooba people, school.com/Jooba Guitar, and go just post the song. It'll inspire people to see how you played, and I might even give you feedback on your playing. I check all the posts there, and I reply to almost everything. So yeah, it'll be really nice to see what you do and where you're from, and just to get to know you. Thanks guys. Have a nice day. Cheers.